Om Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to the online classes in mathematics. Sri Sathya Sai Loka Seva Gurukulam. You are all in full of spirits. You had a petrol for the vehicle. Means lunch or breakfast. You had? Okay. Now get ready your pen, books, etc. Those who have textbook, you can go to the textbook also. Okay. Here you should be ready with the formulas correctly. Before we come to today's topic, we will see what we have studied so far. Meaning of the word percent. Of course, this we have discussed about 7 times. Again, we are discussing because to make it thorough. If you repeat now, for example, if somebody asks you, tell the multiplication table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Tell so easily. Why it is easy? Because you learned so many times from class 1. Like that, repetition of things make you thorough. Come on, we will finish off fast. Percent means for 100. We say 100%. And also we have seen how to convert into fractions. Suppose you have 50%. That is equal to 50 by 100. That is equal to 1 by 2. If you want decimal form, divide the numerator by the denominator. You get 0.5 like that. So percentage into fraction means divide by 100. Percentage into decimal means divide by 100. Suppose you are given with fraction, then multiply by 100. If you are given decimal, multiply by 100. Okay, that's already you have seen it. Also, we have seen about profit and loss. Usually, business people are there, sitting there. Some of you know what is meant by profit. If the selling price is more than the cost price, we get profit. So, SP minus CP. If the cost price is more than selling price, you have loss. Is it not? And also you have seen about discount. For some of the goods which are in lot of stock, they give discount and dispose it as early as possible. That will be in terms of percentages, especially for festivals like Dasara, Deepavali, Christmas and so on. Also you have seen a very beautiful formula for SI. Come on, who will tell? Ready? Okay, come on, tell the formula. P T R by 100. What is P? Principal. T, time. R, rate of interest. I, simple interest. In that formula, if any 3 are given, you are given with say I, P, T. Suppose you want to find out R. What is the formula? 100 and I must go to numerator. PT comes to denominator. If you want to find out principal, 100 and I should go up. How you remember? The other 2 should come down. If you want to find out T, time, 100 and I should go up. P and R should come down. That is the conversion of the formulas. Is it not? That's already you have seen it. And also one more thing is there, that is called as amount. A is equal to principal plus interest. It's already we have seen it. Just for reminding, we have taken into consideration. And also compound interest. Interest on simple interest. And what is the formula? very beautiful formula, 10 at least 10 times p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power of n minus p, or you can write minus 1 here. What is A? A is amount. What is P? Principal. What is R? Rate of interest. What is N? Number of years. Can you work out? Okay, we will have some more problems today also. Before that, we will work out the home assignment. So, calculate the compound interest for 15,625 for 3 years at the rate of 4% annum, compounded annually. So, principal is 15,625, number of years is 3, rate of interest is 4. Formula: CI equals P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus 1. This is P, principal. Note down, don't delay. So, 15,625 into, so 4 ones are 425s are. So, this will be 25 plus 1, 26 by 25 cube minus 1, and that is equal to 15,625 into the 25 cube is 15,625 again, and if you multiply 26 3 times, you get 17,576. 26 into 26 into 26 minus 15,625, because 1, and if you subtract, of course this can cancel, and if you subtract, you get 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, then 15 minus 6 is 9, then 6 minus 5 is 1, 1951 rupees. That is the answer. Followed? So, this you subtract, and as you know, these two will cancel. If you subtract, this is the answer, 1951. That is the first sum. Coming to second sum. Calculate the compound interest on 16,000 rupees for 9 months. 9 months means how much? 3 quarters. So, what you must take, rate 20 by 4 you must make, because quarter. So, 5%. So, principal is 16,000, rate of interest is 20 by 4. Note that correctly, because quarter. How many quarters are there? 3 quarters. Apply it, 16,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the cube minus 1. So, you have 16,000, 5 ones are 5, 20s are. So, 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 cube minus 1. So, 16,000 into this is 20 cube becomes 20 into 20 into 20, 8,000. Here in the numerator you have 9261. (21 into 21 and 21) and minus this is 8,000. So, 8,000 ones are, 8,000 twos are. So, 2 into, subtract this, 1 minus 0 is 1, 6 minus 0 is 6, 2 minus 0 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1. So 2 into 1261. That will be 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So 2522 rupees. That is the compound interest. So you must write the answer like last one. Compound interest is equal to that answer carries half mark. 2522 rupees. Alright, super. Shall we go to next sum? I think some of you might have already done it because it's a direct question. In this problem, amount is given to be 27,783 and they are asking how much sum of money, that is principal. Number of years is 3 years. Rate of percentage is 5%. Amount is 27,783. So you have to use the formula amount is equal to P is principal, 1 plus R is rate of interest, N is number of years. If you apply it here, you have to find out P, no. So bring this side, then it becomes denominator. So A is given to be 27,783 divided by, this will be 1 plus, what is R? 5 by 100 cube. So 5 by 100 means you can cancel 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So 27,783 by, we'll do it separately here. So that is 1 plus 5 by 100 cube. And that is 5 ones are, 5 20s are. So 21 by 20 cube. Is it not? 21 by 20 cube. You have to divide it. So when you divide it, what happens? This will go to numerator. So 20 cube is how much? 20 into 20 into 20. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It becomes 8,000. Is it not? And 21 cube. 21 cube is 21 into 21 into 21. 9261. 21 cube is 441 into 21. Becomes 9261. And if you just see this goes correctly 3 times. This 1 time, 3 times. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 9s are 27. So answer is 3 into 8,000, that is 24,000 rupees. So what is that? Principal. 24,000. Is it clear? First you must write what is given, then use the formula for amount here, because the question is amount is given. Therefore you must take the formula for amount. Apply it here. In the place of R you write 5, then by 100. So 5 ones are 5 20s are. Then you simplify. This goes 3 times. Or you can try with the 21 by 20 also. 3 times you have to multiply. Both mean the same. And the answer is 24,000. Today's topic is just what is this? Bank. How many have gone to bank? In a bank, so this is the Reserve Bank. Reserve Bank is called Bank of Banks. All the banks are controlled by Reserve Bank. And there they print the notes also. Notes, coins, etc., etc. That is the symbol of Reserve Bank. And to quote one example, see, we have got so many banks, some are called nationalized banks, some are called private banks. This is one private bank, HDFC. Nationalized means that will be not written LTD. Private banks will be written LTD, Karnataka Bank Limited. They write limited. So if the limited is not there, it is a nationalized bank. I think this is also nationalized. So this is the format of passbook. All will be given a passbook in which all entries will be made. And also you have seen this is called check leaf. Now why I told is you should know how to write checks also correctly. Here to write the pay to whom. Suppose you want to draw your own amount, you write self. You write the money here and that in words here. You should not make any mistake. This is the date, month, year, and you write in words here, and you have to sign here and also backside if it is self. If it is given to some party, you have to write the party name. Okay, this is a simple what is called check leaf. There will be leaf of about 10, that is called checkbook. Now we will come to today's topic. One more question. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest for 3 years at a rate of 5% when the interest being compounded annually for rupees 30,000. So principal is 30,000, time is 3 years, rate of interest is 5. They are asking difference. So simple interest is equal to PTR by 100 and compound interest is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus 1. Come on, if you apply it, this will be 30,000 into T. T is 3 years, rate of interest is 5 years, 5%, divide by 100, 0, 0 cancels. So 15 into 3, how much? 45 and followed by 2 zeros, 4,500 rupees, correct? Coming to compound interest, principal is 30,000 into 1 plus R is how much? 5 by 100, n number of years 3 minus 1, that is equal to 30,000. Write down, don't keep quiet, go on writing down, okay? 5 ones are 5 20s are. Take LCM, that is 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 cube minus 1. So 21 cube, how much it came? We already done it. It was 9261. So it is equal to, we are writing a CI now, right here. So 30,000 into 9261. 9261 minus 8,000. $21 cube minus 20 cube is 8,000 divided by 8,000. Is it not? That will be equal to 30,000 into 1261 by 8,000. Simplify, you get 3 0 cancels and you have 2 4s are, 2 15s are. So 15 into 1261. It comes to 4728.75. Now question is, the next step I will let here, difference. This is the answer. Difference between come on, SI and CI is equal to, SI is 4500 and CI is 4728. 4728.75 minus 4500, that will be equal to 0.75. 8 minus 0 is 8, 2 minus 0 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 228.75 rupees, that is the answer. You have to write below this. Once again, you see, SI, PTR by 100. P is 30,000, T is 3, R is 5. So if you multiply, you get 15 into 300. So 15 3s are 45 plus 2 zeros. CI is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus 1. Substitute, R is 5, n is 3. You get 21 here. Take LCM, 21 by 20 cube minus 1. So this is 9261 minus 8000 by 8000. If you cancel 1000, you get 4728.75. And difference is, you have to subtract this SI from CI. CI is more always. So that will be 228.75. Okay. Now we will pass on to next sum. In how much time will a sum of rupees 8000 amount to 9261 at 10% annum compounded semi-annually? So amount is given. So as it is semi-annually means half yearly, rate must be 10 by 2, that is 5. They are asking n. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by to the power of n by 100 to the power of n. So 9261 is equal to 8000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power of n. Now you have to find out n. Is it not? So what shall you do? Now you have to find out n. So this can simplify, 1 za, 20 za. So that will be, if you take LCM, as amount is given, directly you can do it, right? So this is equal to 8000 into 21 by 20 to the power of n. And now how to do that? N, 21 by 20, sorry. Now bring this side. So you have 21 by 20 to the power of n is equal to 9261 by 8000. Why it is by? It is multiplied here, you need to come this side, become divided by. So this, if you observe carefully, that is 21 cube and denominator will be 20 cube. So you get a beautiful answer, 21 by 20 to the power of n. So bases are equal, therefore powers must be equal. N is equal to 3 is a beautiful answer. And what shall I write now? Question is time, or you can say period, is equal to 3 years. So apply the formula. Only trick is half yearly is given, 10 by 2 you must make. Okay, noted? Let us go to next sum. difference between compound interest compounded annually and simple interest on a certain sum of rupees for 2 years at 15% per annum is rupees 180. Find the sum. So, given sum is P rupees, we will take it as P. You can take X also. Okay. Rate of interest given to be 15%. Then you are given difference between CI and SI. What is CI? Compound interest. What is SI? Simple interest, 180 rupees. Now SI is equal to PTR. R is 15%. P don't know. And time is 2 years. So if you cancel 5 3s are 5 20s are 2 1s are 2 10s are. You get 3P by 10. Amount we don't know, that's we have to find out. Then comes compound interest. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus 1. So if you substitute P we don't know. This is 5 3s are 5 20s are. So 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 means 23 by 20 square minus 1. And it will be 129P by 400. How we get 400? 20 square. Okay. So if you now you are asking difference is given. So difference between CI minus SI will be equal to 180. This is equal to 180. So 129P by 400 minus 3P by 10 is equal to 9P by 400. So take LCM here. So here 129 minus 40 into 3, 120. 129 minus 120 become 9P. And then you have 9P by 100, 400 is equal to 180, that is given in question. So, P is equal to 180 into 400 by 9, that will be 88,000 rupees. Understood? First you find out SI, then you apply in and get the CI difference, and you are given with 180 given already. That is substitute, you get the answer as 8,000 rupees. Noted? Okay. Now we will see what Baba says. A beautiful quotation of Baba. What is that quotation? Bear all and do nothing. Means, suppose somebody scolds you, you should not show any reaction. Suppose somebody praises you, you must bear it. Hear all and say nothing. All that others say no, you must hear it. Sometimes it will be good for you, sometimes it may not be good. But don't tell anything. And give all, go on giving. Don't take like this. Always your hand must be up. Even you might have heard about Bali Chakravarti. Is it not? And Vamana, Lord goes in the form of Vamana and he says, I want 3 steps to keep the place. 1 step he measured the whole earth. 2nd step he measured the whole sky. And ask him where the 3rd step. 3rd step, keep it on my head, he says. Okay. So give all and take nothing. Serve all and be nothing. Don't boast yourself. I have done this, I have done that, I am so great, like that. You should not boast. You should go on serving people silently. Okay. Now coming to home assignment. A sum of rupees 15,625 amounts to 17,576 at 8%. Compounded semi-annually. Find the time. Find the rate at which 4,000 will give 630.50 as a compound interest in 9 months, being compounded quarterly. Okay, come prepared for that. Thank you.